Like Phil?
Oh my god.
What do you think? Does YouTube do it any justice? I mean,
no.
No?
No.
Is it louder in person?
Sounds like air on YouTube. Now it's just. Oh my god.
How was it though, man?
Shaking my head.
Yeah?
My eyes going out of vision and I just couldn't see. I could breathe a little bit, but barely.
Alright. Well, cool, man. Thanks for stopping by, man. And, you know you're going to be on YouTube tonight.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, man.